Proprietary dual-phase push-pull drivers excel in monitoring applications by providing exceptional accuracy and clarity. Flexible memory cable loops over ears for a custom fit and long-wearing comfort. Specially designed housing provides maximum isolation, allowing you to focus on the music. Detachable cable offers exceptional durability and optimized audio performance. Includes a carrying case, silicone ear tips and 6.3 mm, 1/4, plug-on adapter. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent budget IEMs. There are many options out there today for those who are looking for a great sound, but would like to pay less. The reason I picked these is because the pair seems to be very well received by the audio community, so I decided to go for it and get them. And I was not disappointed. The audio is clean and powerful with minimal distortion at high volume levels. And with some extra voltage pumped through them, with an amplifier, they sound even better with the low end being crisp, punchy and coming across with weight and air, but is a bit boosted, which I don't mind. The soundstage is quite nice too. There is ample width and air, and the separation of instruments is very good for the price. The highs are just a tad exaggerated, however do not sound harsh in any way, unlike some other popular brands. All of these elements combine to create a very pleasant and fun sound signature that makes music sound more believable. Hence why this great pair of in-ears gets my recommendation. Also, the cable is replaceable, so that's a plus should it ever get damaged.